Hello guys, it's me.
That pussy 445.
So after making content for in 1 week straight, I decided, you know what, why not make some content which is not which will not take much time. So I decided, why not just go to Reddit and see what is trending, trending topic. Then I noticed that my favorite subreddit, which is the subreddit by Simon Says, had tons and tons of posts on BTS. Now BTS it's a mixed response actually. So I decided, you know what, fuck it, I will make a video on BTS itself, but not on BTS, on kids who are BTS fans. Kids who are BTS fans and are cringe. Now, famously, BTS army or stans are known to be toxic, but I think it is not that two-dimensional. Now, a famous tweet, if people remember, that I badly need to go to sleep and I can't wait to Jimin in my dreams.
ये मैनली नहीं है यार, गर्ली है.
Just the tweet itself makes me kill, which is something that I am going to say a lot of times in this video.
Myself.
Uh, what exactly is the problem with the BTS army? I, for one, think that not all of them are bad, but time and time again they prove me wrong. Like if there is a video which is even slightly related to BTS, the comments are going to be a cesspool, obviously. Fucking degenerate means everybody. I cannot just generalize it. Like, they're fucking spreading cringe everywhere. I thought that people on Reddit were over exaggerating. Nope, I was completely wrong. They are not over exaggerating at all. These people are fucking cringe, my god. And the thing is, it's not even the problem that they are cringy or that they are spreading hate. Some of the BTS fans I've met are genuinely enthusiastic. They want others to listen to the music made by BTS, by K-pop in general. So, and my friends are some of them, and I really
What?
like their music. Means I don't like their music.
Bro,
I
what are you
like their,
talking about, man?
the beats, the performance they put up is something that is not commonly seen in the Western world. Not in Bollywood, that's for sure. But बहनचोद ये लोग इतना cringe फैलाते क्यों है? So what I could gather from the limited amount of posts and shit I've seen on internet, इन लोगों का problem ये है कि ये लोग connect everything to BTS. Like, they do not have a personality. Their personality is liking BTS, which is just weird. Like, personality is something like you're a good person, or you're a person who is conniving, or तुम एक चूतिया आदमी हो. That is your personality.
चूतिया हो तुम.
They, on the other half, personality is BTS army. अपने सारे social media handles में लिख देंगे कि I am part of BTS army. Jimin, purple heart, purple heart, purple heart, purple heart, purple heart, purple heart. Oh my god. मतलब भाई, please, just die already, man. Come on. Now the problem is that people don't like BTS because of BTS stands, and clearly they fail to recognize this fact. They think that they do not like BTS because they're racist. Fuck you. Fuck racism. That is what it is. Racist. Everybody is racist who does not like BTS apparently. But clearly that is not the problem. The problem is you are not allowing new fans to come into the fan base. There are some people who are extremely accepting. Now, just like in the starting of the video, I said that I like them, but I don't like their lyrics in, you know, in general, because I cannot understand it. English lyrics does not make that much of sense. I heard some of the songs, I liked it, it's fine. Now, some toxic stans are going to come in the comment section and probably going to comment, fuck you, you're cringe, you're racist, please change, you have very bad taste in music. जो सही है, मेरा टेस्ट इन म्यूजिक बहुत खराब है.
कुड़ी तो चॉकलेट है नी तो बाड़ी में लेट बिल्लो करदा मैं बाड़ी में लेट बिल्लो करदा मैं रेड बिल्लो अरे जल्दी जाएगी तो देख बिल्लो कुत्ते पजाने काला काला क्लब बिच गाना चले काला शकाला गोरी जल्दी जाना घर मुझे घर में छोटा भाई है.
मेरा टेस्ट इन म्यूजिक बहुत खराब है, बट it has nothing to do with BTS in general. Now the problem is people have generalized the fans, which too is wrong. But the problem is toxic fans overpower the good fans. This is a general theory. जब ये toxic fans जाके अलग अलग जगहों पे spam करते हैं, BTS जिमिन purple heart, BTS loves everybody, whatever the shit is, please stop spamming. They would spam it everywhere. When BTS could not win Grammy, they took it like actual people, you know, they are artists, they respect shit. But fans did not take it properly. They took it to their heart and decided they will spam everywhere. This is unfair. Apparently the Grammy is racist. What the fuck? सब लोग ही racist है बहनचोद. इनको Grammy नहीं दिया तो इनकी गांड फट गई, गांड जल गई इनकी basically. But the thing is, that is not the only problem. The problem is that they are not willing to accept the fact that people can have different opinion. They may have different taste in music. There are people who may not like K-pop. There are people who might like K-pop. बट भैंचोद इनको कौन समझाए. इनको लगता है कि सबको मीन्स एवरीबडी शुड लाइक BTS सॉन्ग्स या K-pop सॉन्ग्स इन जनरल. भैंचोद मैं अभी भी पुराने ज़माने के गाने सुन के टाइम बिताता हूँ भाई. अरिजीत सिंह और कुछ 2-4 सिंगर्स के अलावा किसी के गाने नहीं सुनता मैं. ठीक है, क्लीशेड है, बट आई एम हैप्पी इन दैट. इट्स माई ओपिनियन. दैट डजेंट मीन आई एम नॉट विलिंग टू ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स. आई वुडेंट ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स क्योंकि भैंचोद तुम लोग लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ गेट कीपर आर स्टैंडिंग कि भाई तूने सारे गाने सुने जितने. अच्छा, इस सबसे फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है, पुराना वाला कि नया वाला? तेरा फेवरेट K-pop मेंबर कौन सा है? अरे बहनचोद इतना कौन देखता है? जस्ट एन्जॉय द म्यूजिक फॉर व्हाट इट इज. नाउ द 15-16-year-old kids, they judge K-pop by their face apparently, which is very shallow of them, and I would say it's racist. Goddamn, I'm gonna say it, it's racist. But why? The shit they write on Twitter, Instagram just makes me feel like I should just leave the world, man. The world is going to hell. मतलब भाई हर जगह पे ये लोग इतनी अजीब सी बातें करते हैं. एंड द टॉप थिंग इज देयर फैन फिक्शंस. देयर फैन फिक्शन इज समथिंग दैट आई क्रिंज सो हार्ड. मतलब वी शुडंट यूज द वर्ड क्रिंज विदाउट अ रीजन, बट माई गॉड आर दे क्रिंजी. लाइक भाई फैन फिक्शन कौन लिखता है? हे भगवान, पढ़ाई कर लो, कुछ भी कर लो. मतलब दे इमेजिन देमसेल्फ टू बी द गर्लफ्रेंड ऑफ जिमिन और Jungkook or whoever. There are 7 members. Fuck it, I don't know any of their names. But why? Like, just study, enjoy their music, but don't behave like fucking psychos. Now there are normal fans also, and I generally don't feel that the normal fans are, you know, intruding a lot. See, BTS songs are good apparently. I'm not sure, I have heard all of them. I have not heard all of them, but except their songs they have done a lot of philanthropic work. तो भाई अच्छा काम करोगे तो लोग अच्छा ही बोलेंगे.
Nice.
And people tend to forget it and, you know, generalize it. ऐसे सारे लोग इंडियंस को जनरलाइज करते हैं कि भाई ये इंडियन है, मतलब ये सैक्स, बूब्स, वजाइना ही कुछ मांगेगा. बट द थिंग इज पीपल फॉरगेट दैट वी कैन नॉट जनरलाइज एनीबडी. सेम इज विद BTS fans. Even though apparently BTS stands, the toxic stands are only like 5 or 6% of total BTS fandom, but still they overpower the good that is done by the normal fans. Clearly, they are more outspoken. They talk shit on Twitter, not only Twitter, everywhere. My God, just make a video on BTS and see the comments explode. So I decided that even I would make a video. बहन चो चलो कर लेते हैं आज तो, मतलब कैपिटलाइज कर ही लेते हैं इन चूतियों पे भी. मैं मतलब टाइटल में कुछ BTS रिलेटेड डाल दूंगा, थंबनेल में जंगकुक और ये लोग डाल दूंगा, फाइट और कुछ क्लिक बेटी सा कुछ डाल दूंगा, बस हो गया, अपने तो व्यूज़ ही व्यूज़ आएंगे. बट दे ऑन द अदर हैंड वुडंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट, क्योंकि होमवर्क करने की उम्र में बकचोदी कर रहे हैं ये लोग, विच मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस. मैं भी बकचोदी करता था, बट ऐसी वाली बकचोदी नहीं करता था, ये तो अलग ही लेवल पे है. बट वाई डू दे डू सो? दे फील कि बाई बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ द BTS फैमिली और आर्मी they are something different, they are unique. And believe me, kids of my age all want to be unique, but they do not understand that जब वो यूनिक बनने की कोशिश करते हैं वो ये बकचोदी कर देते हैं, और ये बकचोदी करने की वजह से ना बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. ये बकचोदी मत करो प्लीज़, ठीक है? स्कूल में हो, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करो, अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे BTS आर्मी, बैंगटन आर्मी लिखो, चलेगा, बट प्लीज़ प्लीज़ स्टॉप डूइंग दिस शिट. जस्ट स्टे नॉर्मल, लिसन टू म्यूजिक. If you really like their music, then stop acting like fucking toxic people. This is genuinely toxic, and the problem is also with Redditors. मैं जो Reddit वाले तो बिल्कुल ही चढ़ी जाते हैं इन पे. मतलब तुम भी भाई लोग क्या कर रहे हो यार? मतलब साइमन पे मीम बनाओ, नॉस्टैल्जिया मीम को मिल्क करो, आई डोंट केयर, बट प्लीज़ यार ये उनके ऊपर प्लीज़ मीम्स मत बनाओ, डोंट एनालाइज देम. एंड मैं कोई फ़ैन नहीं हूँ, सीक्रेट फ़ैन, स्टैन, लौड़ा लसन कुछ नहीं हूँ भाई. The only person I stan is किशोर कुमार. Like if you like किशोर कुमार, yes, कमेंट में बताइए आपको कौन सा किशोर कुमार का गाना पसंद है, एंगेजमेंट बढ़ाइए वीडियो का, थैंक्स. और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं एक नया सीरीज स्टार्ट करूँ, नोन एज द थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ द डैश, जिसमें मैं फ़ैन बेस रिव्यू करूँगा. जैसे BTS फैन बेस, ट्रिगर्ड इंसान फैन बेस, चूतिया फैन बेस, कोई भी फैन बेस चलेगा, इट डजेंट मैटर. बट tell me how the series would go and who should I make the next video on. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. अगर अपने प्रोफाइल में BTS आर्मी लिखते हो, पर्पल हार्ट बनाते हो, तो प्लीज़ do consider subscribing. Thank you.